Okay, good morning, students. This session is with respect to DNA microarray that we are learning. In last 2 to 3 video, we have seen the basic principles and procedure of DNA microarray. Watch that video first and then go for this video. We have seen principle and procedure for the DNA microarray. Now the thing is how this DNA microarray are prepared, that we will discuss in this video. Now usually in DNA microarray, DNA element will be used, which is the main feature that bind to the solid support. The DNA element will be bind to the solid support in order to create the DNA microarray, right? जो भी target DNA होगा, that target DNA will come and hybridized with the probe and this product, and they will give the signal that particular DNA is attached, right? This probe is generally combining of many sequences of RNA. Basically in this point we will focus that if there is a surface, that is a solid surface, on solid surface how you will attach your DNA, what strategy will be used so that the site remain exposed, and this DNA should be bind with the probe. After binding with the probe, target molecule will come, it will combine, and there will be a signal. So we should focus in this video how this microarray are being manufactured, how you are use this solid support to make the DNA to bind on that, and probe will combine with that, right? This process we should focus. Now this technique is like this. This is the DNA microarray chip or DNA microarray well. In this in every well different kind of DNA will be attached with the probe, and target DNA will be added, and the target DNA will combine with that exposed single stranded DNA, and estimation of sequences can be done. Okay. Now this DNA microarray are basically of two type. First one is spotted DNA microarray, and second one is printed oligonucleotide array. Spotted DNA microarray are commonly used technique, but it has certain disadvantage. Those disadvantage can be overcome in this kind of technology that is called as a printed oligonucleotide chips, right? First we will see how this what is spotted DNA microarray and how this spotted DNA microarray is prepared. Okay, usually spotted DNA microarray are made up of DNA clones which is bound to the immobilized support. This is a image of spotted DNA microarray. It is generally a 96 well plate. On this plate, say example, this is a one well. In this one well, a DNA will be attached on this solid support, then probe will be combined, and afterwards you will add the target DNA. So if target DNA is hybridized on this DNA, the signal will be achieved. Okay, so this is basically what we need is we need first of all we need a DNA. जो भी डीएनए की कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सीक्वेंस होगी उसको पीसीआर से क्लोन करो, या फिर उसके डीएनए के मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ जहाँ से भी आपको जैसे भी लानी है वैसे लाओ, और उसको स्टोर करो प्रॉपरली. आफ्टर स्टोरिंग माइक्रोटाइटर प्लेट में अप्रोप्रिएट वे में उसको ऐड करते जाओ. माइक्रोटाइटर प्लेट में ऑलरेडी नाइट्रोसेल्यूलोज और नाइलॉन मेम्ब्रेन रहेगा विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द प्रिसाइज ग्रिड. ऑन दैट द डीएनए विल बी अटैच्ड, राइट? Now usually the problem is in this DNA microarray technique, first type of DNA microarray technique, that is spotted DNA microarray. जो DNA हम ऐड करेंगे और जो साइज़ होगा वेल का उसके हिसाब से जो डेंसिटी होगी जिस DNA को हमने उस वेल के अंदर अटैच किया है वो बहुत कम होगी. से एग्जांपल, द साइज ऑफ द वेल इज़ लाइक दिस. दिस इज़ द साइज ऑफ अ वेल. If you have added the DNA will be added in this portion only. This portion is remain blank. that means the density of the DNA which is added in the well is very low, right? That is the only disadvantage of this method. But there are certain advantages, like this DNA microarray, spotted DNA microarray is very easy to prepare. You can easily prepare it, and the concept is simple. You just need to apply the hybridization procedure. If you remember the principle, so this is a well. On this well, nitrocellulose membrane will be there in the grid fashion. On that you will add your DNA. DNA is combined with the probe. Now your DNA microarray is ready. Just add your target DNA into it. The target DNA will go and bind if complement sequences are there, otherwise they will not bind. Okay, so this is how the spotted DNA microarray is present. Second disadvantage of this method is, first is density is low, that is the major limitation. I have explained in last slide what do you mean by low density. Second thing which is very difficult in this kind of spotted DNA arrays, we need to use the radioactive probe. If we are using radioactivity probe, it is very difficult to control this radioactivity, and that may cause many harm. So this one is a disadvantage of this spotted DNA microarray technique. Now for spotted DNA microarray technique, either we can use glass also, we can use membrane also, and we can use glass also. If we are using glass, then we know that our DNA is made up of negatively charged. See, DNA is made up of negative charge. That is due to the phosphate group which is present in the DNA, and on that on the glass slide, you will find this NH3 plus group. So this phosphate minus group can combine with the NH3 plus group, and proper binding of the DNA on this glass side can be achieved. Okay, so this is one of the cheap spores which is used in spotted DNA microarray, and it is very good technique. Okay, now how you will add. See, we got the idea about the two material which is used. First is nitrocellulose membrane, and second is a glass slide that can be used as a solid support. Both have their advantage, both have their disadvantage. On that DNA you need to attach, right? But now how you will apply DNA onto that glass slide? So that can be applied through one technique which is called as a capillary spotting pin technique. In this, the technique is like this. In this capillary, this is a capillary, and this is a concentrated solution of DNA. Once you attach the capillary surface on this DNA, the DNA will pull in. This is a DNA that you can apply on the solid support, and you can release the DNA. Just you have seen, you have performed that in your TLC, like that. You should take the DNA and put on the specific solid support. But the thing is, you cannot do is manual. You cannot do it manually. For that purpose, automation is required, and in automation, all this process is done. Okay. Another kind of spot which is used is pin and ring system. Here you can see a ring is there. So in this ring, DNA will be attached just like a bubble, and that DNA can be loaded on particular location. Okay, this is about the technique, first kind of technique of preparing DNA microarray for spotted DNA array. In next session, we will see how printed oligonucleotide chips are generated. Okay, thanks. Comment, like, comment, share. If you are having any question, you can ask in the comment.